The process of choosing a nomination to fill Justice Rith Bader Ginsburg's seat on the Supreme Court is in full swing this week. Shannon Bream, of Fox News, gives us the rundown on the candidates.
The smartest people. These are the smartest young people. You know, you like to go young because they're there for a long time.
That from President Trump this morning on his top contenders to replace Supreme Court Justice Rith Bader Ginsburg. Let's bring in Fox News at Night anchor and chief legal correspondent Shannon Bream for more on the potential picks. You've been working nonstop all weekend long. We appreciate you being here to tell us what we could possibly expect.
Yeah, great to be with you, Dana. Let's talk through the three women we think are at the top of the list. Since the president has said he's going to pick a female, all of them are on the federal bench now, so they've been through Senate confirmation and very recently, which helps with vetting them, getting their files up and running if these indeed are the top contenders. Let's start with Judge Amy Coney Barrett. She was in the mix last time around, and we're told she is the frontrunner this time as well. She is a federal judge, 48 years old, mother of 7, went to Notre Dame Law School on a full scholarship, has been working there as a professor in the years since. She also clerked for the late Justice Antonin Scalia. During her 2017 confirmation hearing, she was pressed about her Catholic faith and concerns that it might impede her ability to be an impartial judge. You might remember Senator Dianne Feinstein's comment, "The dogma lives loudly in you." That sparked a lot of backlash, actually, and claims of religious bigotry for Democrats. But Judge Coney Barrett says it would never be appropriate for a judge to impose her personal convictions, including her faith, onto issues of law. She won't be surprised if she's the nominee that's going to be a line of attack. Now, Judge Barbara Lagoa from Florida sits on the 11th Circuit. She spent most of her years there in Florida serving on the state courts, so she's only been on the federal bench for less than a year at this point. She was the first female Latina to be appointed to the Florida State Supreme Court. Very compelling personal story. Her parents fled Cuba 50 years ago. They said they gave up their dreams because they wanted their kids to have their dreams of growing up in the U.S. She is a Columbia law grad. I'm told that her background really colors the way that she sees the U.S. and the Constitution, the rule of law. And finally, Judge Allison Jones Rushing. She is the youngest. The president seems very excited about the possibility of giving Democrats a 38-year-old nominee. She's very well respected. She had a bruising battle in the Senate and basically made it through on a party line vote. She's a Duke Law School grad. She clerked for Justice Gorsuch before he was a justice on the Supreme Court. She's also clerked at the Supreme Court for Justice Clarence Thomas. A lot of her work with her group called the Alliance Defending Freedom came into view and was part of the debate in the Senate. It's a conservative group. They've had a lot of big wins at the Supreme Court on issues of religious freedom. The left calls them a hate group. She said when confronted with it, said, "I never saw anybody express or advocate for hate." There are a couple men whose names have been thrown around, federal judges as well, Thomas Hardiman and Amol Thapar. We don't think they're still under current consideration, but they've been in the mix before, very highly respected, as are the women on the list as well. Dana.
Shannon Bream, how lucky are we that we have you on our team to keep us informed? Thank you so much. We'll see you tonight.